Little Crew manufacture eco-friendly wooden toys, which are made from natural resources, timeless, high quality. They don't contain any toxic and other PVC, which can be found in the plastic toys.
I make the wooden toys here. I'm sanding, I'm painting, and I help the package as well.
I design all toys, I make our listings for the shop, I do customer service, marketing, promotions and packaging as well. Little Crew started a few years ago. Me and my husband, we were looking for toys, wooden toys for my daughter when she was really small. She was about 2 years of age. So we couldn't find any here in Ireland. So we ordered toys from Poland, and when they arrived, Tomasz decided to do a few improvements of them. He wasn't happy about the quality. And when he finished the toys, we just decided to create our own company and fill in the gap in the market and to become the manufacturer of wooden toys.
When Little Crew first approached the local enterprise office, they were making toys in their spare time. Initially, we helped them with the support of a priming grant. This allowed them to purchase equipment for the business and also to support one full-time salary.
We are really happy to have a support from local enterprise office in Carlow. They do help us lots. We get so many mentoring sessions from different people and different fields of business, like, for example, marketing, strategy, finance. Mentoring sessions help us a lot because there's always something we can improve within our business, and local enterprise office is always standing and helping us.
We will continue to work with Little Crew, allowing them to make it happen.